Hello there again, this is Holt, and we have another limit problem. This time we have an infinite limit problem. We have limit as x goes to infinity of the square root of x squared plus 3x plus 2 and of square root minus x. So if we assessed it immediately, we would see that we would have the square root of infinity squared plus 3 times infinity plus 2, and this would just be the square root of infinity, which is just infinity, minus infinity, and we know that infinity minus infinity is indeterminate. So we're going to have to change this a little bit, and we're going to do that with the conjugate. So this is the same, but our conjugate's going to be this. Very important for that to be minus here and plus here for the second term here, because when we FOIL this out, the middle section of the FOIL will cancel each other out, and we will be able to simplify this. This will undo the square root sign. It will get so we're getting closer now. However, we still need to do a little more simplification. Oops, missing that little arrow sign there. So we're gonna have 3x plus 2 on the top. But we really want to get everything on the top and the bottom kind of in terms of everything in terms of x that we can get rid of things eventually and get down to a final answer. So we're going to actually divide the top and the bottom sections by x. So this is the same as saying 1, I'm going to multiply by x. So I'm going to multiply by 1 over x on top and bottom. And we get a limit. I'm actually going to split these up too. And then the easiest thing to do right here is to say that this is equivalent to the square root of x squared. So we can do the divide within there. So we're going to do a little more simplification before we apply the limit, but then we'll be able to see how everything works out. This right here we're going to want to leave as 3x over x, because we want it in terms of x when we apply the limit. Even though we could cancel it, we don't want to do that. And on the bottom, we will get. We do want to do that one because that one cancels out. And we also want to get that one to 1. So now we can finally apply our limit, and we'll get 3 times infinity over infinity will just give us 3. 2 over infinity will give us 0. 3 over infinity will give us 0. 2 over infinity will give us 0. The square root of 1 is 1. And then that is the limit as x goes to infinity, 3 over 2, or 1.5.